Hello everyone and welcome to a new hair dyeing video. And yes, as you guys can see from the title, we're going to try out the holographic prism holo hair once again, and I am terrified. Last time I dyed my hair for, I think it took like 6 hours, but it was so worth it. We got such amazing results the last time, and I just felt like we have to try it once again with like another color wheel, color theory, color combo. And I am so excited that this video is in collaboration with Arctic Fox, and you guys know that Arctic Fox is one of my absolute favorite hair dyeing brands. I love the formula, I love the colors, I love the smell of it, I love the packaging. I got sent every single one of their shades so I can just have fun the rest of the year. I actually have a few shades that I've never used before, and I thought that I had used every single one of their shades. But no, we have like Girls Night, this purple one that we're going to use today. I also have Periwinkle and Forsell, and I'm so excited to see how they look on my hair. So this video will probably be quite long, as you know, it's going to take a while. This technique is really time consuming. But here I have already done a little tester on the shades I want. So here we have Neon Moon, this one. Then we have Neverland that I also used in the last video. Periwinkle, the blue. Girls Night, the purple. And then we have Forsell. So, for those of you that have not seen the last video or any type of videos like this is a really confusing way of dyeing your hair. You want it to look holographic. It should not look like a rainbow. So you need to section your hair in a weird way. I don't even know how to explain it. And I've kind of been wondering if I should do just the top like I did last time, or if I should do like only one side and one side like only one shade, or if I should try and do everything. And I'm kind of leaning towards trying to do my whole head. That's maybe not a good idea, but also I feel like I kind of want to do it. So I was wondering if I could just take like this part of my hair. My hair is a little bit wet still. I just bleached my roots and I bleached the green out of my hair just so we could have a good canvas to work with. I wonder if I could just do like this whole side here and skip this one just for a second or a few hours, because that way I can actually see what I'm doing, because I have one eye. And then after I've done this side, I can do this side. The only thing is that I have to be very accurate that it looks the same on this side. So give me a second and I will just put the colors in here, and then we can get started and just try something. All right, so I have all of my colors here in front of me. They are looking gorgeous. I am going to go ahead and section off my hair above my ears. I don't have eyes in the back, but sometimes I think that I do. So this hair will be probably just one color, probably pink. I think I'm gonna do. Is that kind of parted in the middle? I sure hope so, because I'm not gonna do anything about it. If we're gonna go for a piece like this, I wonder if I should go ahead and dye it like this, or should I try and do it straight like that? Alright, so if you guys have never seen a hair dyeing technique like this, it is going to look weird. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a very small piece of hair here in the front. Gonna take this. We're gonna start off with pink, or Forsell, which is the color of this. And I am going to dye all around here, just so we have that ready. And I wonder if I should go in with the root color just a tiny bit longer than the other colors. This little piece, like the little triangle that I have here, I'm just going to dye pink. Sorry if this is confusing, but just trust me, okay, on this one. Maybe it's better if I just put it like this, actually. Like that. At least I can see. But this is looking terrifying, I know. What am I gonna do with this? Like put it on my ear? Can I do that? Is it gonna hurt? Oh my god, did you guys see that? I'm clipping it here in my ear. So we have that down. Now we're going in with Neon Moon, the yellow. And we're gonna do the piece underneath here. And I'm gonna make sure that it gets coated on both sides. Oh, this color combo. It is looking so cute. I wonder if I should dilute this a little bit. No. Let's not. And then the shade Girls Night. And then when I've done the whole rainbow, I'm going in with the pink again. And then again, I am gonna take the tiniest piece. I'm saying that, but I always take too big of a chunk, and it seems like it's still working. So, and then I'm going to lay this on top. So here we're going in with the purple, and then just like before, we're going in with the pink here, where the pink should be. The colors right now, my god, this is going to look so good, I think. You guys, have you ever seen anything as beautiful as this? This is actually not taken as long as last time, as I can actually see now. I at least have one eye. Oh no, I have mascara all over here. Let me just go ahead and roll this up. I think that was what I did last time. Remove that. We're gonna start off with the pink Forsell, and just like the other side, I'm gonna do the pink a little bit further or bigger than the other colors. And then this little triangle right by my ear, I'm not gonna do the hollow width. I'm just gonna dye this whole thing pink. Then I'm gonna once again take a piece of plastic and I'm gonna put it here. And then once again, this little clip, I'm just gonna put perfectly here inside of my stretched ear. Okay, let me take this out very quickly so we get the right colors here. I just want to make sure yellow here and the green on top of my eye there. That's right. Yep. And then the blue. This is not the easiest. So maybe here somewhere. And the yellow, the green, the blue, then the purple here. And then I'm gonna take a straight line here. Once again, go in with the pink here. Sorry for not talking that much while doing this. I actually saw one of Aisley. Is that how you pronounce it? She's like the queen of this type of hair technique. She's so good at it, and she has so many cute videos with different techniques and stuff like that. But she said in a video that she like making these sorts of holographic hair videos. It takes so much of her like concentration, so she can't really speak while filming. And I totally agree with her. Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and wind this up again. Okay, so let's go in with a section of pink. And I'm gonna go in and like overlap them. So now when I put the pink, I'm just gonna go in with the next color and just like put it a little bit on top, if that makes sense. And then same thing with the green here, just gonna put it down where I want it. And then I'm just slightly going to Mesh these together a little bit, like that. The green, the yellow, and pink, and the purple. Alrighty, now I feel like we need a time lapse, so let's just go ahead and get this all done, and then I will show you guys when I do the back.
Du bad mig över telefon. Jag borde sett det komma långt ifrån. Och kom igen, bara säg det då. Jag har väntat och mitt hjärta slår. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt. Jag vill ha din doft i hela rummet, min enda önskan nu. Min enda kan vi leva i denna stund? Jag vill stanna här, du. Hörde på rösten att du hade någonting att säga mig om. Du bara visat på stopp, varför behövde du så lång tid? Och vad var det du kände då? Jag bryr mig för mycket om vad som har hänt, det är inte likt mig. Det blir så tydligt att jag trillar dit. Och det är bara du som kan få mig sån, få mig sån, få mig sån. Alla dragen jag tycker om, tycker om, tycker om. Bara du som kan få mig sån, få mig sån, få mig sån. Alla dragen jag tycker om, tycker om. Så till när rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. När han rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt till slut. Rullar upp i mitt hus och jag steppar ut, det kommer bli vitt. Jag vill ha din doft i hela rummet, min enda önskan nu. Min enda kan vi leva kvar i denna stund?
I don't think that you are ready, because this hair I feel like is looking even better than last time. I love the color combos, and yes, I'm gonna show you guys. What? I don't know if I've ever looked better. Well, I'm so happy that I didn't add the red or the orange, even though I think that orange would have looked really cool with this, but I think it's really nice to just have these like very unicorny colors. Oh, look at that. It is so pretty. How has this now worked twice? Is this my best color combo yet? I kind of want to say that this is like my top 3 hair colors ever, and that says a lot, together with like the red to orange to yellow type of hair that I've always had, which is my favorite, together with the pink and green that I had. But this is for sure the most time consuming and the hair that I worked my ass off the most, and yeah, it was just all so worth it. Also, as this was the first time I ever used Periwinkle, Girl's Dream or Frosé, I am so happy that I chose those colors because they go so well with everything. So if you want anything from Arctic Fox, again, you can use my code EvelinaAF for 15% off on their website. Arctic Fox is, as I've already said, one of my absolute favorite brands. You guys can see why. And I also absolutely love that they do donate 15% of the profit to animal charities. And I'm so excited to keep this collaboration going this whole year, so be sure to look out for more fun color combos on this channel. So be sure to subscribe and like this video if you like the hair videos, and that is it for me. Have a wonderful day and comment down below also what you think of the hair. All right, that is it. Bye guys.